Hey camp friends, so I have a completed perler bead right here that I just finished. And over here on this side is the one that I'm about to iron. And I'll show you really quick how to iron these perler beads. So there we go. So first I'm going to take my iron. Make sure that you have the iron completely off of steam. You don't have to have steam for this. You don't need steam. And we're going to take our parchment paper right here. And we're going to lay the perler beads onto the parchment paper. Be very careful. Don't let your kids' hard work go to waste. It's very easy to dump perler beads everywhere. I've done it several times. And then we're just going to lay very carefully the parchment paper on top so you don't disrupt the beads. I'm going to take the iron and we're going to press down on top to melt it all together. So these beads do melt together from using the iron. And you'll just press it until you feel like they look like they're melted pretty good on this side. They need a little bit more. So now that I have it completely melted on this side, I'm going to carefully flip the entire thing over, or maybe it'll just peel. There we go. Flip it over. I'm trying to do it as carefully without disrupting it as much as I can. And then we are going to peel. It's very hard to do this with one hand. This off. Now that I've peeled it off, I'm going to fold it back, the parchment paper back on top, and then we're going to have to iron the other side. Make sure you do not iron with the plastic piece, and that'll melt it and mess up your perler beads. So now that we've ironed it on both sides, we are going to let this cool. It's very hot. Don't let your kiddos touch it just right away because it will burn their little fingers. And we'll just let it sit for a second while it cools down, and then we will. The paper should peel right off.